Imagine you're in your car and you're on the highway, yet you're not looking ahead through the front windshield, but rather you're looking at the rearview mirror the entire time. That would probably lead to some car accidents, to getting lost, and maybe even hurting other people. Well, sometimes we live our lives looking backwards, i.e. in the rearview mirror, rather than looking out towards the front. When I use this metaphor or this idea, it helps me focus ahead and in the present. Sure, looking at the rearview mirror is important. Looking back into our past is key. And gaining the insights, pulling back the lessons, but not necessarily living there. Because where do we live? In the present moment and moving into the future. That is literally the only thing we can change, is what we do in our present moment. How is that related to ketamine therapy? Well, some people habitually get stuck looking into the past. Literally, the default mode network is just replaying previous past events. And ketamine seems to disrupt activity of the default mode network, which then will free you from looking into the rearview mirror and look ahead. What can I look forward to? Maybe instead of looking ahead, I can also look towards the left and the right. What's going on around me to be present? I view our bodies as kind of like a car for the human soul or spirit. We're just on this journey, moving forward, looking ahead, being in the present. So bottom line is this: when you're stuck looking in the rearview mirror of life, that's not going to serve you as well as if you were looking ahead and around in driving safely and effectively to your destination. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.